You all good, Poppy? It snowed, didn't it? That field fence is 39 inches. And you can kind of see the top of the ladder poking out behind that tree. That's how I get up there to brush the snow off the solar panels. I piled it up there on purpose to help insulate the garage, which I've got to get the snow off that too. Man, this place is pretty. I ain't really complaining. The only thing is I think the range is closed. There's too much snow back there. And I don't know if I'm going around that side of the driveway or not. We shall see. Anyhow, I better put him back. Stage 1 complete. Sort of. I need to be able to keep these bays open so I can get the car out or the truck in case it needs some work, or who knows. So that's got to move. That was a whole bunch of work, but we finally got all the snow cleared. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but that fence is 39 inches. Good portions of it are just buried. Not going back there anymore. The water froze. There's no point in getting to the back of the trailer to turn the pump on. Range is closed too. Too much snow to get back there. Got the bomb drop area cleared out. We're not using the camper, but for storage, so got that blocked up. I still needed a little pathway around that to walk so that I could throw food and other waste products over there. And I was thinking that I should probably drag that trailer out here. It was behind the trailer before we got that extra foot and a half of snow. I'm sort of glad I did that now. The snow off the roof. Hello, Poppy. How are you, buddy? It's about 8 below right now, near as I can figure. And he wants to go in.